Ngithemba wena, ngithemba wena. When you listen to your children, oh, put a trust in you. Moya wethu ngengqondo yethu. There's a tendency to go against yonke into eshiwo uNkulunkulu, especially ngalesi khathi kumele ngabe ikholwa ngazo. If there's one thing that you must know is that the enemy gets into you through your mind. That's why kubalulekile ukuthi sigade ingqondo iyathanda ukuphikisana nezinto zikamoya. When I wrote this song, nami ingqondo yayingavumi, yayingathembi, but I was speaking it into life ukuthi ngizofunda ukuthemba, even though my circumstances aphikisana nayo yonke into ekumele ngibe ngithembela yona. But ngoba wena ushilo izinto lakho ukuthi awungishiye, so I have no choice but to trust you. So whether you like this song or you don't, I would like for you to just take a moment and actively surrender your will. Don't worry, I'll tie the shoe. It's important. I'll go back quickly. It's cut to COVID. I'm sure some guys are cool and they can't COVID. There was that point where you felt like you were closer to losing your job. You were close to the grave. Because in the COVID, the basic sabangayo. When they do COVID, uyakhumbula ithemba lakho ukuthi waliqinisa kanjani in that moment. Now, lokho akuthemba kwethu was circumstantial, kunento ephambi kwethu eyayisiforce ukuthi uthembe. How about this moment when you don't even see the need? uNkulunkulu akafuna ukuthenjwa ngoba kunesidingo. Ufuna nje ukuthenjwa nje. Because masivele isidingo masuthi uyamthemba akholwe la ukuthi cha, you have proven ukuthi uyamthemba without anything. That's the level of surrendering that God wants from us. That's the level of surrendering that God wants from us. That's the level of surrendering that God wants from us. It's very nice to play church. Manje wasihlangane la namhlanje. Sigidile, sikhalile, siqulekile, senza yonke into eyenziwa kuma event. Ekuthiwa sihlangane ngegama lika Jesu ngegama kaNkulunkulu. But the question is, where does that leave you tomorrow? And on Monday, and on Tuesday, and until the next event when we come and do the same thing again. We better stop playing church. Because Jesus is coming again. Jesus is coming again. And when he comes, will he find us? Yeah, we will be ready for Speak along as well. Jesus is coming again. Oh, Jesus is coming again. And when he comes, when they find you, yes, will you be ready? Don't wait to change your mind, because even in the second he comes, Jesus, I come in the day. And when he does, is he gonna find you? Will you be ready? Will you be ready? We all know that Jesus is coming. For sure we shall see our Lord. We all know that Jesus is coming, and for sure. Are you following? Are you following of Jesus high and for sure we shall? I'm asking you, are you following? Are you? Yes, are you following the steps of Jesus? And for sure. Woe to you, my poor leader. Woe to you, my poor follower. Are you following? Food is in it, on in the asha, we are not now of Jesus. And for sure, I don't want to sing and go to hell. I am not going to sing so much and then not even see the door of what I sing about. Whatever function that God has chosen you for in your local church, you better be fulfilling. Because when he comes, he better find you. Will you be ready? And when he comes, will he find us? Will we